Penny,
Not there.
where's your mouth? Good. Where are your eyes? Where's your brain? It's inside. Penny, where's your liver? Good. Where's your butt? Good. Where are your ears? Penny, where are your ears? Good. Penny, where are your toes? Oh, there they are. And where are your legs? Good. Where's Mama? Oh, where's Max? Where's Spike? Penny, where's Jojo? Penny, where's Sammy? Penny, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? And where's Max again? Max? Where's Max? He's over there? Penny, did you have lunch yet? Did you eat? Did you? Okay. Say thank you.